Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create dashboards using Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Canva official website and log into your Canva account. Once here, go to search bar and type dashboard into the search bar. This is where your design journey begins. Canva will instantly display a collection of dashboard templates for you to choose from. Take your time to scroll through and pick one that fits the kind of data you want to display and the audience you're presenting to. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on Customize this template. This will open the design inside Canva's editing interface, and this is where the fun part begins. You can modify every detail of the template to suit your goals. Start by replacing placeholder data with your own, charts, numbers, or icons. Adjust the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand or the overall tone you want. Canva's tools make it easy to drag, drop, resize, and recolor elements with just a few clicks. After a few creative tweaks and adjustments, your personalized Canva dashboard will be ready to impress. And that's it. So that is how you can create dashboards using Canva. So that's all for this video. Thanks.